Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to finally resolve the problem of the 4K TV. In my case, I have a Septret TV, a cheaper brand, so I don't have HDR, I don't have 120 Hz, FPS, whatever, and double vision, nothing of that. I just have 4K Ultra HD, whatever it is. So in my case, only was allowed to 1080p and 1440p. But I resolved the 4K problem because always tell me like your TV doesn't support 4K. The only way to resolve this works perfect for me. You have to go to Video Fidelity over screen. Over there, this is the deal here. Over here, make sure it's on auto detect. Make sure it's on auto detect. If this is on DVI or HDMI, whatever, don't going to work. You have to put this on auto detect. That way your TV automatically detect and allow you to run on 4K. And yeah. So as soon as you put down, that's the first step. Put this, okay, first step, the overrides. Remember, auto detect. Okay, second step, go to, second steps, go to video mode. First step is in here, remember, second step, video mode. And make sure you checkbox the allow 4K. As soon as you do that, you can see. As soon as you do that, the allow to 4K. This is the second step, right? We go to the third step. You go to here, and you're going to see a green checkbox there. Now you know that our TV allows the 4K. And to make sure on here, you should see the option, the 4K, Ultra HD, whatever, in your case on your particular TV you have. And yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I finally find a way to run my Xbox Series X on 4K or upscaling to 4K finally. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you the next time.